So hey guys, it's me Kavya, and today is the video in which we're gonna talk about some of the leaf ideas that we can make in a doodle art. So basically, the first leaf that we are going to make is something like that. So it has small leaves that doesn't have a pointy end. The way it's looking is really cute because it's having little and small leaves. So you must be thinking, why am I not using a pencil before I'm just directly using the pen for drawing? This is because doodle art is all about how we make it without drawing with a pencil. It's not about neatness, but it's about how messy we make a doodle art. So the second type of leaf that we are gonna make is something like that. You just need to make some branches and see how beautiful it is looking, because it's having black small leaves that looks like somewhat like olives, right? So we need to make many branches and many leaves, and yeah, just don't leave this leaf empty because it looks pretty when it's filled with black color. The more branches and the leaves you make, the more beautiful it will look. It will look as if you're just pasting real leaves there. So the third kind of leaf that we are gonna make is something like that, wherein we have to make big leaves and we have to make a vein with a midrib in between. So it's just like simple leaf that we make while drawing any scenery or something. It's not like very complicated. A child can also make this kind of leaf. It's so easy. By the way, all the leaves that we're making are really pretty simple because we prefer to make a doodle art pretty simple and easy so that everyone can make it beautiful and messy. So the fourth kind of leaf is like, oh my gosh, my hair is just in between. So this is not a leaf, but it's having a cluster of cherries or berries, you can say, with color, maybe blackberries. I don't know, but it's just looking pretty. It has 2 to 3 leaves in between, right? Just remove my hair. Yeah. So see, just 2 to 3 leaves makes it really simple and beautiful. Now, this is the fifth kind of leaf, and that's pretty easy. Yeah, so we have to make it like the first one, which are on the sides of the 10 doodle leaf ideas which I have written. So just a simple twist is there. So that is, we are making some more cherries. Oh, it's just so tiring how many dots we have to make, but if you want to pass your day, you can just try these. In my next video, I'm gonna tell you some more doodle ideas, so it's just pretty easy. So let's move on. This is the next kind of leaf. It's not actually leaf, but it's a cluster of berries again, but it's having some circles and some dots on them and some of the branches. So just having an issue there because I have not put the camera in the correct way. So they have some minor details like a dot. I'm talking about the berries. It's having just a dot, little dot. Yeah, finally I've just removed my camera from the incorrect place. So it's having a dot and some minor details like leaves. So the next kind of leaf is pretty common. So it's the common leaf that we make while drawing any tree or something. But if you just darken one side of the leaf, it looks really pretty because it just looks a little different from what common people make. The next type is somewhat like that. You have to make a line, yeah, for the midrib, and wait, it's not midrib, it's stem, yeah. So just make a cluster of leaves and some berries just behind them, and then again follow the same rule in another branch, and some leaves on the stem, on the front side, on the back side of the cherries. You can see. Okay, I know that it's pretty useless to speak behind this video because that's tutorial. Okay, so we are finished with this type of leaf. It's just having some cherries and a bunch of leaves. It's pretty simple and beautiful. Now the next type is somewhat a maple leaf. So you know how to draw a maple leaf. I'm drawing that. So I was just completing that, and I was making the veins, right? So it was really simple to make all these kinds of leaves, and I hope you are liking this doodle art series. Actually, it's not a kind of series, but yeah, I'm gonna make some more videos so that this can be a type of series. Like, first of all, I'm making about the leaves, and then about household items, then some more animals and nature, so like that. So this is the next type of leaf. So that's pretty looking like a flower, and cause that's a flower, yeah. So I'm just creating a simple kind of flower and two leaves just behind that. Oops, not behind, just under that, yeah. So I'm making some couple of more leaves just beside that. So basically I'm just continuing to create more branches and more leaves so that it looks better than before, because that's looking pretty common. The next kind of leaf is nothing, because we are completed with our 10 ideas, right? So what am I doing is I'm making the same kind of leaves that I have taught you in this video again and again. So with this we are done with this video. So I just used simple things like small leaves and flowers and berries to just fill out the gaps, and I hope you like this. Bye.